Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the TV model and firmware version in Settings. This tells you if an update is required. Next, connect to a stable network. Prefer Ethernet if available because downloads can fail over weak Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings System Software Update and select Check for Updates. You will see download size and version details. Confirm and start the download. Do not power off the TV while downloading. Interruptions can corrupt the installation and require recovery. You watch the download progress and note the estimated time. Larger firmware takes longer. Once the package finishes, the TV will verify files and then prompt to install. Accept and let it reboot automatically. You should close apps and note any unsaved settings before accepting a restart. During installation, the screen may go black and the system will reboot multiple times. This is normal. Make sure the power remains steady. If you lose power mid-install, you may need a manufacturer recovery process. After the final reboot, check settings about to confirm the installed firmware version and run a quick check of apps and streaming playback to ensure stability. If something looks wrong, power cycle the TV and attempt the update again. Many failures stem from brief network drops. If repeated attempts fail, download the official recovery file to a USB drive per the manufacturer's instructions and perform a recovery install. Use this only if the TV becomes unresponsive after an update, because recovery can reset settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.